Over the past few years, AI has been growing fast, with top models that generate ultra-realistic images and videos. Up until now, the best platform to use these models has been Higgsfield, but when you try to use it, you get hit with paywalls. Well, what if I told you that Higgsfield is now free? And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to access it. Before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So this is the AI tool right here, and some of you might already be familiar with this platform, which is Higgsfield, because of its amazing generation capabilities. Well, I'm glad to tell you that Higgsfield is now completely free for all new users. New users who sign up with a new account will get access to all top models, including Seedance 2, for a whole day, and this is just great. So you might be wondering, how do I get this? But first of all, make sure you're a new user, and you should see where it says Unlimited Offer right here. Click on Sign Up, and you should be loaded over to this interface. They have lots and lots of sign-in options, like Google, Apple, Microsoft, and email. Oh, for this, I'm gonna go with email, so I'll click right here on email. All you have to do is type in your email address and then type in a password and click on Continue with Email, and you should be good to go. Once you're signed in, all you need to do is answer these few questions. I can see as well that you now have a special offer where you can get all top models unlimited for 7 days for 61% off. And do keep in mind that this plan can be canceled. But we're not focused on the paid stuff, because if you click right here on Get Unlimited for $0, you should be loaded over to this interface. Next, all you have to do is click it once again, and all you have to do is put in a valid payment source. And do keep in mind that you can cancel this at any time. Once you have that set, you should have your account looking like this, and we can then proceed to test out the models here. Now, firstly, we're going to be trying to generate images, and in order to do that, all you have to do is hover over here on images, and you can see that this AI platform houses lots and lots of amazing features. They even have features for AI influencers, and if you look over at the models, you will see the top models like ChatGPT Image 2 as well as Nano Banana 2. They basically have it all, but all you have to do is click right here on Create Image, and you should be loaded over to this interface. You should see that here, you can toggle this on to get unlimited access, but I myself personally have some credit, so I'm just going to leave it as is. So you can type in a simple prompt to test this out. For this, I'm going to type in a prompt, say, a cat playing in the street, just like this. With a simple prompt like this, all you have to do is select the model, which I would go with Nano Banana Pro. You can see it says unlimited here as well. And for the aspect ratio, I'm gonna go with 1:1, and for the batch size, I'm gonna go for 1 image. And all you have to do is click right here on Generate, and our image is currently being generated. Isn't this just great? We basically get access to top models, including Seedance 2, which I will show you in a couple minutes, for completely free for 24 hours. So do make sure to take the opportunity to get your hands on these models. Okay, and in no time, our image is done generating. Let's take a closer look at what it generated. And wow, this is actually just great. I love how it paid attention to detail. It showed an active scene where the cat is playing, and you can even see the people's reaction in the background. And this is just great. What I love about this AI platform is that you also have some other features to try out, like the Recreate the Reference feature. I can turn this into a video by clicking right here, and you get a full video. But for this, I'm just going to click on Download. And now let's head over to the video section, because if you hover over here, you would see that you can access the top model like Seedance 2. For this, all you have to do is hover over here and click on Create Video. And you can see that I myself have been using this amazing platform to generate realistic videos. Well, now let me show you how to use Seedance 2, because if you scroll down, you should see where you can select Seedance 2 right here. So just click on it, and you can see we can use it without no problem whatsoever, and type in your prompt. For this, I can say, a woman wearing a trench coat walking down a busy street, just like this. And this prompt is well enough to test the amazing capabilities of the AI platform. For the duration, I'm going to take this down a bit to 9 seconds. And for the aspect ratio, I'm going to leave it at 1:1, leaving the quality at 1080p. All you have to do is click right here on Generate, and our video is currently being generated for us. And I'm really intrigued to see how well this AI platform will handle this. So just give it a couple of minutes while it generates our video for us. And in no time, our video is done generating. Let's play this and take a look. And this is just crazy, because we're basically using Seedance 2 without spending a dime. And you can as well click right here and download it straight into your device. And those are the amazing features of Higgsfield, and you can now use it for free for a day. This offer runs through to July 23rd, so make sure to make use of it. The link will be in my bio.